Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Means. I am a completion coach here at Crafton Hills College, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Assist. So assist.org is a website that tells you how your courses from Crafton Hills will be accepted at a Cal State or a UC campus. It is best used in combination with seeing a counselor at Crafton as well to go over your student education plan. Assist is intended to help students and counselors work together to establish an appropriate path towards transferring from Crafton to a Cal State or a UC. So this is what the website looks like. Also, if you just want to type in assist.org, but there's also a link on the University Transfer Center page where it says institution right here. You're going to go ahead and select Crafton Hills College. You can also type in as well. And then agreements with other institutions, this is where you're going to put the Cal State or the UC. For my example, I'm going to be using Cal State San Bernardino. Okay, and then once you have both those selected, you just want to make sure that you click View Agreements. Now you'll get this little page on the left hand side. This is where you're going to see major, department, etc. For now, I'm just going to be showing you by your major. They do have a list of them here on the left hand side, but since I know what major I'm going to be using for this example, I'm just going to type it in. So we're going to be using nursing. Okay, so nursing BS, and it should automatically pop up. So you just want to go ahead and select it. And then this will pop up, and again, you can double check right here that it's for Cal State University San Bernardino from Crafton Hills College, okay? And then you just want to hit View Agreement. That's going to take you to a separate little page, and this is going to be the articulation agreement, okay? Now this top half you want to read through thoroughly, and note that this displays the lower division courses required for your major. So it's only the lower division courses. This does tell you about transfer admission, also STEM Center, if you want to explore other majors, and what associate degrees for transfers that the Cal State San Bernardino has. Again, this is for Cal State San Bernardino, so if you are confused, you can always double check at the top, and some of these may be a little bit different. You also want to make sure you're reading the admission requirements because these may be a little different depending on your major, as well as what Cal State that you choose. So for instance, acceptance and as a pre-nursing student, cumulative GPA of 3.5 and stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that you read over everything about your major and stuff like major requirements. So students in nursing need to have a C or better in all your prereqs and stuff like that. But they also have these fun links that you can click that will also take you to if you need better explanation as well. So if you scroll down, you're going to start seeing the courses that transfer over. On the right-hand side is where you're going to see Crafton's classes. On the left-hand side is where you're going to see Cal State San Bernardino. So for instance, this top one, it's showing Medical Microbiology 150. It also tells you the unit amount. That course, once you go over to Cal State San Bernardino, it's going to transfer over as Biology 2200. So Microbiology for Allied Health. So that's kind of how it's telling you the arrows. It also gives you several options for different ones. Now these ones are similar, but they do give you other ones. So like for math, you can take Math 110 or you can take Psych 120, and they both go towards that statistics, okay? So you just want to compare, if you aren't sure, maybe you're like, hey, I didn't do well in math, but maybe Psych, I can pass this one. Maybe you want to take that one and it'll count, okay? Also, besides on WebAdvisor, you can check your GEs, but here it also has the Golden 4 that you want to pay attention to because these are the key ones. It only lists 3 on here, but these are the key ones if you want to get admitted into Cal State that you need to have something that fills this section, okay? So for instance, for oral communications, you can take elements of public speaking, interpersonal communication. For written, you can just take freshman English. And then for critical thinking, maybe you'll take a philosophy class. Then there's also chem. Maybe there's some that are required, but there isn't a comparable one. So you just want to look into other options. So like Chem 101, that can transfer over, Chem 150. Now, this agreement is pretty short. They will vary in length depending on your major, but please just look over everything and review it, get a general idea, and meet with your counselor to figure out what you still need in addition to gen eds and electives. And if you have any questions, please schedule an appointment with the counselor, or you can visit the University Transfer Center, and we're more than welcome and willing to help you out.